Kerala United unbeaten at home. Asante Kotoko went there and scattered the record. Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Yes! 3 good points, 3 important points, top of the league. Well, I think that was beautiful. That performance was beautiful. The goalkeeper, the defense, the midfield, the attack, everything was just sublime. Who would have thought we'd beat Kerala United away from home? 2-0 without conceding a goal. Oh my god, Razak Abalola was extraordinary today. It was a very good performance, I tell you. Very good performance, very good performance. First goal from Aimori Ibrahim in the first half and second goal from Kwame Opoku. It was a very interesting game considering the fact that a lot of people felt that Kotoko would be going there for a draw. But we went there and we won the game. We show you that we are capable of winning anybody away from home and at home, because I think we are the best team in the league. We are the best team in Ghana. This was a very beautiful performance. I'm extremely happy. Wow. Let's talk about the game. I think we played very well. The midfield control. If you watch the game, you see that we exchanged some passes. I think this has to be the game we've completed more passes than. I think after the Iduna game, we controlled the game very well. They had chances to score, but Razak Abalola was extraordinary. He was so good. I'm also pleased that Kwame Opoku had to score and end his goal drought. Naby Keita, giving him a lot of stick, but today he did. He did fairly well because he distracted the defense and created a chance for Kwame Opoku to score goal, and I'm very, very pleased with the overall performance. Lateef Anabila was extraordinary. I love the way he played. Yusuf Mubarak, remember that goal line? If you watch the game, remember that goal line clearance. Yusuf Mubarak cleared the ball from the goal line. Could have been 1-0 Kerala, but Yusuf Mubarak helped us, and that is why he came back into the team after our last game against Inter Allies. I think Johnson Smith gambled by using Wahab Adams, and it's paid off. Now he's brought back Yusuf Mubarak. I think he's the man for the job. I think if things go on like this, there's no possible reason you shouldn't give him the coach permanently. He was exceptional today. We played very well. I'm very, very, very happy with the performance, and I'm sure that we are going to keep up with this performance in our subsequent games. I'm extremely pleased. Fabio Gama was giving the simple passes, moving players into position. You give me, I give you, you give me, I give you, and it was just extraordinary game. I'm extremely pleased. Top of the table, who would have thought? I think Johnson Smith have transformed this team. Johnson Smith and his coaching staff, they have transformed this team, and I think we just need 1 or 2 players to be unstoppable. Once we just get 1 or 2 players, we'll be unstoppable and we'll win the Ghana Premier League. This is a very huge result. I would like to know your thoughts. Who was your man of the match? Man of the match, I will give our defense. I don't know if I'll pick Yusuf Mubarak or Abdul Ghani. Lateef Anabila collected the man of the match, obviously, but Aimori Ibrahim played very well. Apart from his goal, he played very well, and the players played like as if they are playing their home ground, composed without any stress. It was extraordinary. I'm very, very happy with this result. Kerala United unbeaten at home. Asante Kotoko went there and scattered the record. The record has been scattered. We did it. It was an extraordinary game. I'm very pleased. I'd like to know your thoughts. Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think about the game. It was an extraordinary game. Kwame Opoku, Aimori Ibrahim, 2-0 Kerala United away from home. We beat them. That was a huge result. I'm very excited. I can't wait for our next game and how we're going to continue with our good performance. I hope other players who are injured. Habib Mohammed came back today and he played very well and stabilized the midfield, and they passed well until game ended. So I'm very happy with the performance today. Yes, I think that's all for now. Till next time, guys. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.